The film is set in the tail end of the recession in Ireland, and it's about a disconnected banker, James Allen, who suffers a family tragedy and he goes rogue.
The Limonov is about two disgruntled people that find themselves working for an institution that doesn't really care about people. The part I was training, he approached me with the script and we just hit it off.
Total shocker. I don't think I knew I was eligible really, and like my best friend rang me and just said, like, because I didn't even check that morning like what the nominations were, so yeah, she rang me and was like, oh my god, amazing, congratulations. And it took me a while to figure out what she was talking about.
But working on independent, it's great, because I suppose when you go onto a bigger production, unless you're there constantly over and over again, day after day, you walk on, you're out, you know, so like you really felt like you were part of something.
You know, it takes real drive, like a level of drive that you actually can't really comprehend to get a film to where this has gotten.
If you've ever had a manager in work that's frustrated you, this is a film for you. If you've ever had someone that you are attracted to, that is probably someone that you should not be attracted to, this is a film for you. The manipulative nature of the banking industry revealed. I think it's very interesting that we went through one of the worst recessions in the last few decades, and yet there's never been a film released in Ireland about the banks or commissioned.
And it will be out on April 5th.
You don't have to do this.
You did this.